The topic of human and animal interaction has been a studied topic of interest for years and continues to be looked into by scientists and professionals everywhere. This research paper addresses a study trying to explain the benefits of human and animal interaction by compatibility in the preferred activities. This study concluded that the people who are more connected with their animals, dogs in particular, reported higher levels of happiness and lower levels of stress. The study also found high activity compatibility led to a more stable feeding routine for the dogs and more frequent daily walks and playing time. The dogs also exhibited lower frequencies of aggressive and fearful behaviors and became easier to train as they displayed higher trainability scores with their owners. Understanding this concept of activity compatibility could lead to great things, like better matching of dogs at shelters with potential owners, and it could also lead to less returns of these animal shelters. The study was conducted on 200 people, 90 of which had low activity preferences with their animals, and the other 110 people were very compatible with their dogs. Activity preferences refer to activities such as walking, playing, and interacting with others. Compatibility of these activities just mean that both the owner and the dog both enjoy these activities and enjoy completing them together. If individuals and an animal could be assessed and then determined if they are compatible or not, this could be very useful in finding the correct home for the animal and finding the correct animal for the human. Higher levels of happiness for both parties would lead to less animals being returned to the shelter shortly after they are brought into their new home. Unfortunately, thousands of adopted pets are returned to the shelter every year. This happens for a variety of reasons, such as unwanted behavior from the animal. These behaviors include going potty inside, excessive barking, or destructive separation anxiety, to name a few. But the most common reason for an animal being returned is aggressive behaviors towards humans. It is estimated that almost 90% of people who give an explanation for returning their dog say that this is the cause. If the shelter could predict this behavior between certain animals and humans, then the potential owner could be told of this possibility and make a more informed decision on if they can handle the responsibility of owning that specific animal. The owners could also be introduced to other animals that share similar activity preferences and have higher levels of compatibility. At the end of the day, we want what is best for both animals and their owners. This study gave a possible solution to a big problem of shelter returns and offers valuable information for any future pet owners looking to adopt. The matching of compatible dogs and humans could be a very powerful strategy utilized in the very near future by shelters and owners alike. This information could save a lot of people and animals from possible heartbreak and separation.